Hello everybody. In this asynchronous class, let me introduce about the topic crustaceans. So this is the topic that we are gonna see now. Crustaceans, that topic is on page 92. You can open your book and follow that topic on page 92. It says the crusty creatures with 10 legs. So let's gonna read a little bit on page 92 about it. You can take your book, open your book, okay, on page 92, and let's gonna read a little bit about it, okay? So it says, crusty creatures with 10 legs. Those are the crustaceans. As we can see here, the crustaceans. As we can see here in the picture, we see krill, crab, we also see land crab, sea spider, all these type of animals. They belong to the family of crustaceans. Okay, so they are known as the crusted creatures with 10 legs because all of them have 10 legs. If you stop the video to count the legs of them, you are gonna find that they have 10 legs, okay? So let's gonna read a little bit about it. You have now learned about two classes of arthropods, insects and arachnids. Do you know that the shrimp, lobsters, and crabs you may have eaten for dinner also belong to a class of arthropods? If you look at them closely, you can see that they have joint appendages, cemented bodies, and external skeletons like other arthropods. These strange looking creatures are called crustaceans, okay? Arthropods with hard, crusty shells. Most of them crawl along the ocean floor in search of fish, mollusks, and other foods. Let's gonna read a little bit about the special characteristics of them. The shells of crustaceans are made of chitin, like the external skeletons of other arthropods, and are hardened by calcium carbonate, the mineral found in limestone, chalk marble, and seashells. Crustaceans continue to grow throughout their lives and must therefore molt or shed their shells in order to make room for their expanding bodies. A molting crustacean is defenseless from the time its old shell cracks open until its new shell hardens. Like insects, most crustaceans have three main body regions, which are the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. In some crustaceans, the head and the thorax are joined into a cephalothorax. Each body region is further divided into several segments. Many crustaceans have 10 joint legs and strong pincers, okay, used for crushing strong pincers used for crushing food and for self-defense. So it's gonna go to the crabs, the arnitheks. Have you ever seen this type of insect animal before? Crabs. Perhaps when you went to the beach, you saw them. They are very common in the beach, and perhaps some of you already eat them. Crabs, the army thanks. Characteristics of them. Crabs are crustaceans that are easily recognized. They are easily recognized by their broad, okay, by their broad flat bodies and their two large pincers. Because their bodies are protected by a single storage shell called a carapace. What is carapace? What comes to your mind when you hear that? Carapace here in this turtle, what we see what we see up the turtle, that is called the carapace, okay? That the red line that you see there, that is called the carapace, okay? That is carapace. So they are protected. Crabs are protected. Look, by a single shell called a carapace. We don't see very well the protection here of this type of crab, but this crab has a carapace here up, okay? And it says that, let's gonna go to read about the plankton. Plankton is on page, let's gonna understand a little bit this type of it. On page 93, it says insect of the sea. The plankton is a type of insect that is the live that is of the sea, that belongs in the sea. There are over 30,000 different kinds of crustaceans, although many types live on the ocean floor. Certain small crustaceans float near the ocean surface, um, staying close to and feeding on colonies of microscopic plants and animals called plankton. Okay, if you see, this type of animal lives only in the sea, okay? Insect that live in the sea. You want another insect that also live in the sea? It is the krill. Krill is it is also a type of crustacean that is small and shrimp-like animals. Krill are a favorite food of blue whales and other large whales. So imagine the whales, when they are in the sea, they eat this type of sea. Okay. And as homework, what we are gonna do as homework is to read all the pages from pages 92 to 97, and you are going to answer the questions from the comprehension check 2.7, which is on page 97. So you are going to answer the 9 questions from that page, okay? So that homework is gonna be on to tomorrow. So see you next class, okay? Bye-bye.